Hi guys, I'm Nelson. Today we are going to look at Orient Day-Date President watch. Orient is a very famous watchmaker with a long history. This President watch is already discontinued. You can grab it if you want. This is the half gold with a white dial. And the water resistance is 100 meters. Sapphire glass. It's famous because it looks like Rolex President watch. The bezel is very nice. Lug to lug is 44 mm. It's a 36 mm diameter. The lug width is 20 mm. And at the back we have this Orient. Let's try. My wrist is 6.5 meter. 6.5 inch. It's not a big wrist, but I think this watch was suitable for all kind of wrists. Whether it's a small, slim, or big, would have no problem with it. It's a very nice Jubilee bracelet. It's considered very high quality for the price. Please grab if you like it, because it's already discontinued. Then we look at this silver with the silver dial stainless steel bracelet. So nice. Good quality of bracelet. See? Beautiful. Just beautiful. It's a very affordable President watch you can find in the market. All this is not a diamond, it's a crystal. You have a day at 12 o'clock and date at 3. Very nice. And then this is a black dial. You see the bracelet? Jubilee bracelet, so nice. The black dial is beautiful. Stunning. This is also very nice. Black dial, half gold. Nice. And then gold. I think this looks almost like Rolex Day-Date gold. Champagne dial. See, so beautiful, well made, and affordable. Please like and subscribe if you like. Thank you.